Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4, that is the latest version on Oracle Linux 9.4. Process is same on all Oracle Linux 9 versions. Open any browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Then click on MySQL M repository. See here, we have the RPM package for Oracle Linux 9. This is for Oracle Linux 8. This is for Oracle Linux 7. So, click on download, right click on this one, then select the copy link address. Now open terminal, wget and paste that RPM link. It is done, ls. See here we have the MySQL community release EL 9 no archive.rpm. So install it by running the command sudo rpm -i, then give the MySQL and hit enter. It is done. After that we have to install MySQL server. Sudo dnfrm install mysql-community-server and hit enter. See, it is going to install MySQL server community server 8.4 and this is the client version. Okay, these are all library and remaining are MySQL related versions and package information. And download size is 59 megabytes. Total installed size is 330 megabytes. For confirmation, you have to type Y and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4. Let us verify the MySQL service status. Sudo systemctl status mysql d. mysql d is the service name for MySQL server. Hit enter. See, MySQL service is enabled and it is not started. If it is not enabled, you have to run the command sudo systemctl enable then mysql d. You have to run this command if it is disabled. Okay, otherwise it's fine. Now start the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl start mysql d and hit enter. Now verify again. Sudo systemctl status mysql d. See, MySQL service is active or running since 8 seconds ago. Okay, Q to kit. Now after this we have to connect to MySQL server, but to connect we must have the temporary password. So we can get it from grep, in quotations give the temporary, then give the file name where log mysql d.log. This file contains the temporary password. So we have to give sudo. See, this is the temporary password for MySQL root account. See, this is the user information and this is the password. Okay, this password may not be the same for your system. So first connect to MySQL -u, then username root, that is the default user, then -p. P means password. Then copy this password and paste. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. This is the MySQL server version number. Now let us verify the MySQL version. This will throw error because we haven't set the password for root account. See, you must reset your password using alter user statement before executing this statement. Not only this, you can't execute, you can't run any statements. So first set the password for root. Yes, root account, alter user root @localhost, then identified by use the new password. Now we can run this select version statement. See, we got the version 8.4.0. Now verify the list of the databases comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, we have these 4 default databases comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a new database by running the command create database Orace. Now verify again, show databases. See, here we have the new database. Now let us connect to this database and create some tables in this new database. Use is the keyword to connect to or switch to database. Put semicolon at the end of the statement and hit enter. Now database has been changed. Now let us verify the list of the tables in this database. It will give the 0 because it is fresh database. See, empty set. Let us create a table in this database. Create table. Show tables. See, we have one table. Now insert some data into this table. One row inserted. Insert one more row. Insert one more row. This time don't change the S number. It will throw error because it is the constraint violation. So we have to give the different S number because we have given the primary key. One more row is added. Let us verify the data in this table. Select star from student. See, we have the 3 rows in the table student. Let us verify the list of the users in MySQL. Try to run show users like show tables, show databases. Try to run this one, it will throw error. See, it doesn't have any command like this. So we have to check select user from mysql.user. See, we have these 4 default users comes with installation of MySQL on Oracle Linux or any Linux server. See, these are the list of the default users comes with MySQL installation. So let us create a new user. Create user identified by provide the password. Now verify the same. See, user James is added successfully. If you want to exit from MySQL, exit. Now we are out of MySQL. Connect to MySQL with this new user, that is James. MySQL-u. Here we have to provide username, then -p, and provide the password of James. See, we have successfully connected with the user James. Now let us try to connect to Orace database. This will throw error because access denied for this user on the database Orace. We have granted the permissions for this user to connect to this database. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. MySQL is the service name for MySQL server. Hit enter. Now try to connect to MySQL after stopping. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we are unable to connect because it is stopped. Let us start MySQL D. Sudo systemctl start mysql d. We have successfully started. Let's verify the status again. Status mysql d. See, we have successfully started. Let us connect mysql -u root -p. See, we are able to connect. Exit. Now let us restart MySQL service. Sudo systemctl restart mysql d. Let's verify the status again. See, MySQL service is restarted or started 5 seconds ago. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL 8.4 on Oracle Linux. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.